Today, at your request, you will learn AnimatedAlign in Flutter. Like and subscribe if you like this style of video. Let's get started. Animated version of Align, which automatically transitions the child's position over a given duration whenever the given alignment changes. For the animation, you can choose a curve as well as a duration, and the widget will automatically animate to the new target alignment. If you require more control over the animation, for example if you want to stop it mid-animation, consider using an Align transition instead, which takes a provided animation as argument. While that allows you to fine-tune the animation, it also requires more development overhead as you have to manually manage the life cycle of the underlying animation controller. To apply when animating the parameters of this container. The duration over which to animate the parameters of this container. How to align the child. Now by clicking on the image, I want to make this change. First we will need to create a Boolean selected set as false. The next step is to make Flutter logo a child of gesture detector. Set state selected to the invert of the selected. The alignment we will say if it's selected, then the alignment will be top right and otherwise it will be bottom left.